normalization committee yamfa so bo no bi emo ministry no so e kan obi ana wana so bo no ye de ebo no ewie mabedwafo Dan Kweku Yabua kasamafo adema GFA normalization committee no and I say media officer for the Black Stars of Ghana and Coach J. Sapon, Yaka Ghana say experienced coaches there with Dimu Akotrepa, or coach teams P, including Hasselfolk, and Kumase, Asante, Kotoko, Coach J. Sapon, and so Abeka, Yahuj Medi. So, Dan, Makwaba,
Major Sumina,
Akwabanzo, hey, ice noom.
The Egypt, the ice,
so good Dubai
area, Dubai area, Egypt area,
ice, Coach Makwaba, Shapiro.
David
Ovori Safo
Bongo
Diva. All right, Dan, me sha say every yenim samo ko afkoyin Ghana for ejam kwan mane yefe mampani ankasa to nsa frem etop no mamo ejam kwan kama mo ko awiakete Ghana for ko jam kwan e mane yefe airport entwene ne enwom ne asa ne di machi nyagro. But Mabedu, Yatia Mabedu, Mbedu da ben, na we de ebanse ne yantem kan. Moye kule, mo wiam ho abepie Ghana.
Well, Bongo, edi kan me feel say your friend be concomitance of leadership. Say udi domanim na mutusa na esana mutu yen ankoyi a. The edi kan say we take full responsibility.
Okay.
And intina normalization committee led by Dr. Kofi Amwa. Ye issue letter of apology. Say sebi Ghana ni bia or do Black Star. Ghana ni bia or support to Black Star no. Onye sika bi mfiri mu.
Yeah.
Ye emotional contentment. Say ya share na neni age.
Yeah.
Na odi anije akọ na so.
Yeah.
Enti say ekoba say ekoya rehusem say ya na ese fata. Say ye de ani die ma Ghana for na ye pa omo chew.
Okay.
Say ye di omo hwamo. Because ye koye na ye yi a ka ye ni an ye beje ho sebi fans ni abasobode nti ye bese Ghana fo ina se omumfa ye bɔ ne nkyɛ ankoye na etosu mienu na wo bisa se ye kɔ no omukogya ye kwan na ye ba ye
kɔ wi akete na mukɔye mo bedu tambe
edikan ye bedu ahomachi be 3:30
hey satan na se obi ada Ghana
ahomachi
ento mo sheda
ye wi mu hye ne nhyehyɛ wi mu hye ne nhyehyɛ
ento mo ji yanka mba sa time
o se we mu hye ne kase metu sabre ya eno no waje cap onye pilot eno bi na ebe pilot wo de wa bedu Ghana ento cap no mfa pilot adwuma no we mu hye no mu ye nhyehyɛ no ebro mo de be ba ye no but as to say in case ye fanfare ne nasefo no uyi eno to nchen se we mu hye nhyehyɛ ya Bongo yes success of many fathers failure is an orphan there's no way ye ba we are 12 kura nka domo edi ye chiko ye no ombesa edi ye chiaba
okay
because akoye Naomi akwentuo osimi ko no ma nso ma ba ne nsapan
oh bible
se koye Abraham akwentuo dia nne ye nka ubeka se oh edom ne bedos because believe you me sa 3:30 ne ye ba ye de cap ba yanka bedu na dom gina nka se ko de nka barista wo gina obi ba ye koye felu anti wada ubeka kire se ko de ye de cap ba nka obesiri pa twen success has many fathers failure is an orphan
okay but ada na mo ba ebi SB ba ebi nso ama ada ba ne say
say ebi cases here isolated. For instance, Christian Achu say I will press release on my phone na nke be release yama Ghana for what happened to Christian Achu ni say oprai and medical checks or no kire say na tournament no on to me to aso nti Newcastle for ne kasai enom say yama nemra nti na ye hwe say onkoye further checks e England say confirm same results there na nka onto ni so healing process no so but otherwise nka obetumi asan but that is nka progress ko yanima to no there was granted permission to leave camp on the day na ye free mu na na ni nice kwan so a oko na obeti se Kasim no hu ono so amma ni team no request say pre-season date na ben nti no na nka omo free say ye be ko yanim ba yanko yanim dia it you trade the omra. But quite apart from almost all the players came the day town was Samojan is here, Lumo is here, Kwadwo Samoa is here, John Boy is here, Omina town. You know. Majority Abba. Now business John Boy on getting. Yes, if
what is the blasters that we do?
Oh, Bongo. But by you take and pay. So, me just say, so, Kwakwa. No, so, Kwakwada. So, Obeda. Because, especially Dawson. It is about who Kwakwa. Come you say Kwakwada, Abba. And now can't we say no? Oh, my Kwaku. Kwabre.
Yo, Dan, Yamche, Uncle Yi. Ususu say a DNA and I'm a Ghana. Yanya, because we 2006 our group stage the free one. The free whole basis at least semi-finals there. Need to me do.
Yeah.
What from Ususu say the end pan Uncle Yi?
Bongo, say yes, Yashusha Ebehunutini Chichireboa. He making these points clear. In our history as a nation, as a football nation, in terms of disastrous participation in the AFCON, and yet President Nyantechi, in the first AFCON of 2006, our free group stage in Kouan, and we hosting to Egypt. Yeah. 1978, Yaji Cup. 1980, we were defending champions. Group stage in Efrim, or Nigeria. In 1984, that was supposed to be our last AFCON before 1992. Coach Afranini Abetas Hasimuko, Ghana Force or the lefty from Guanakoi, group stage BFA. Yeah. Intino, I've listened to people saying that this is the most disastrous and Yanukre. Because we cried a circle beyond group stage. But there's the examples now citing in our group stage and your BFA. And Burkina Faso 98, another example with the likes of Abedi Pelokaya. Not to go forward in the Bombay, Wake, do Kwasi. That was the day I'm Papa Uy and Timikaipa and Unso and Kuye. But that in any way does not justify what is happening. Okay. Intina make us say the NC led by Dr. Kofi Amwa taking full responsibilities. And they are Jatu Pagana for who takes the blame? Yes. Me feel say Yaji Kapu Baya and the HN Munyam Nankobia Bejibi. In the other, I say, Ankoye dia. Yebbe ni pabako. Nka NC yebeji ye shine. Nti NC mu kan bi. Committee. Oh yes. NC ya de letter ba bontin se Pagana for respectfully. Okay. And we shouldn't take the emotions of Ghanaians for granted because sebi na make us obi anya sika bi free Black Star ho. Apart from go na nani age na wakoda. Nti nka NC yebeji ye shine. Nti NC mu age mu de management committee beji ni shine. Led by Dr. Kiki Sapon. Players beji o mu shine. Coach beji ni de yes, supporters, you bring us emotional, contentment. Inti, blame equally. I think we should.
Let's done. More camp. Most camp was the best. And then a touch.
There be a normalization committee in a camp was the best. Normalization committee in collaboration with the ministry. Yeah. And yet, the Ombayina and a coach Kwesiapia Nyansa Muno. Or joining national team under Coach Afrani. In the 70s, late 70s, Captain Black Meteors, and rising here to Black Star Captain. Senegal 92, no, captain no. And I say, as a player and as a coach, this is the best camper when ya. Nature say, nke kanu krepa and normalization committee ni ministry ni abani die, ke yewe ya femu die. Because se coach bien no numu kase. This is the best camp ever. And yes, a coach, I'm board though. About Black Star as a player, I go camp. And was our coach in your first time, your second time. Nature saying, Yeshamudia, Inka, His Excellency, and another Dankwa Kufado. And honorable Kwame Siama, any NC in collaboration, Dr. Keke Sapo Mwejuma, Dr. Kofiamu Mwejumano, Nankasi, Tinanka, Kase football bed dino Kuramaye. But Bongo DSC, honestly, even though defeat bar. You the coach, you're realistic. Say as of mine, you started Nations Cup in 1963. Between 1963 and now, there have been 6 major occasions. You encounter penalties. Baku penny ya pass 1/6. Yeah. And then you go see up your brother na ya go 2 penalty as him. 1992, Senegal. I mean, you see, before the near victory over Libya in 1982 with goalkeeper Owusu Mensah.
Yeah.
And up till now, because I 2008, you call Libya. Then the Dinda, where is Owusu Mensah? Because of Ghana, because on a chichi Libya for penalties.
Yeah.
82 Diana a successful, and a 1/6. 1992 against La Côte d'Ivoire 10-11, Tony Bafu Okobose Anyeye. After 92, 2010, you call World Cup. Suarez, Ekwachi boy call penalties, name him say Beye Anyeye. That makes it 3 occasions, from 82. 92, 2010.
Yeah.
Then in 2013, in South Africa, yani Burkina Faso, and also referee see Burkina Faso ya call penalty. I mean, say.
And you could have
then in 2015,
$50,000.
Good. In 2015, una good ya.
Oh, na I want disaster. Na sana mo South Africa.
Yes, the Mfankas. 2015, and also your finals against La Côte d'Ivoire, penalty clear. I mean, say. And 2019, penalty the obi enimbo. Me ma dwene mu de. Because
ndie da ben be suabo ndi da bia nkie nkona
obi edi penalty
di ko training na
Roberto Baggio 1994 World Cup is World Cup and African Cup Kwashe Nyanko, he was the best player in Europe at the time. Ekosi say Lionel Messi 2014 ekosi say
na Escobar ko bo bi say na
Escobar ko say bia yekoshi
Colombia for ball
nti bongo nka anya football ne nka no kra senka coach lose match through the lottery of a penalty shootout. Okay, because Ekuba no ko ball penalty ni say no. Ubatunu Dubai, he was our best penalty taker. Ewo training. Yes. Do be sound say e dey na sesan. E dey bia ni nso eto.
Okay. Dan Kweku Yeboah ana ya training Kanabusia for United Television UTV Kasia Boa Gudi Ebre and Augusto Awoshe and Dan Kweku Yeboah ni coach Jay Sapon and I drink about coach memra ho Dana Kabibri. But young formations are yenya HSA players no afi ilusu control. Players no nantem them omjina phone so say match no mo games. E be cra ji hotel no mo girls are better one ade.
No bongo let's place on record say. Journalists know this story ni by say
e mad ye no.
Players ni ye ma say. Was have patch o say me anam kan so me boa. Nti no yam fan ten ye do fa munye. De wu di min ka wasem. Nipa no the allegation ni buy no was have
but they say players no mo nantem
anu so source ni make evidence ni ho
na yes yes
bongo
what you first born mo
I coach no FB kakra e fan no ay players no last week Monday no kasai say players they are professionals ana mo ball ma no ne enema mo ye na ma no no ana mo baga na mo ye boni krom ho ade am ye no ana mo ba am ye oh entino e papi no players no what I say of course they say an easy lies the head that wears the crown obia we header asamba una de to ba ko mu no am say no head no no bia partly no the better no so because the supervision was not enough.
What does it players need?
Yes, our first idea. Oh, money. I don't know me. I'm a professional. The I'm free. Coach, if you know what, obey the league say, the camp. Hey, that 7. Sorry, no. You will lose the match because players, no, almost constituencies. Obia constituencies.
Nada muito aba.
Ebia, what it done? Munam shibum. Anyway, yeah, sure. One nam.
Yes, experience.
What I say?
Someone want to come.
Yes.
The day want to come.
Oh, I got them from. I can say, me ka general say. We coach ya. Mawoni na ho. Ye ko camp, ye ko training ya. Jire brewachi. Hwenko fa ko no. E ko na ko no. E bia me ne wo, na kuta boot, na e ko de bon komo. O se bi di kan nom ko. E bi wa kire no mai. Yeah. Aye constituencies. And to be back again say peace for camp. Me coach back again so boa. That's the guy say ohre mo jam politim da. Yeah. So ada wa ya me ya no. Me ba na me sresre. Parce bongo me kunwa. Well. Indiscipline. As time goes on, that's the guy say da no ba. Nsembe brebe. Yeah. So where they say da na ba. Kakra no abiesu no. Nsembe ba. Indiscipline. Me agiman. Me bon ha. Me na me champion. Oh. Now, that they make us assistant coaches in clubs. Master, make us that me who na me who.
Assistant coaches, no.
We are very bad. We are very wicked.
Because
onim say ade akosi. Enye. Obaka ko kaun. Ya ka say coach ni ye. What I say?
Coach Mitrano. Abraham wo Egypt no. line up etimi bagan ha no pa but who are your media officer me from Egypt o say on sankan na esi den na e babontin because when it's technical meeting no coach technical meeting no discuss line up and the coach inform media officer esi den na babontin
walls have ears because kusana teacher military teacher I say walls have ears
dan waso
we be award them no be hu na pie
and the technical
there are Judas Iscariot in the system. Judas Iscariot Bible ya John ko Judas Iscariot
technical team na
but I know the bongo it was something that was worrying but ni enim be free say free player be who say free when you any enim because even before the final squad was announced e wo Dubai ewimre no me ko bisa coach say when o you o free team no mu na yenye official story into GFA website and I say from his technical experience no yes or the oye ni say they now be drop players no ko dining we are obe from a meeting no wa kire say me ni je wo pa but the exam nipa 23 na ekọ nti bass no wankom
nti form
nka ye ko nkran na so sije so o we are ansa no the list na maye near the ato F website now say perfect
okay
after there anopa be 11 12 na enam Ghana website wo Ghana ha we mu ni adrop wo mu we mu ni adrop wo
nsanjofo ni hobi
nsanjofo ni hobi
yomo kan so
players any technical team no any media officers any wo ho o mi bisa coach nso o se mentwan on players ni share area no de be mame na me dem kama no to me train players meeting
na why na de babon
you go do nso sa
bongo
coach
and then me to me chei me to me chei man ko fon nti am cheche
wo be tu che
wa me ti
hey
sapa
Ghost Baba
yes
na me na you
okay that's it experience in talk store
so with the
oh yeah experience yeah talk store what I say da bia me cheche abakosem nyina wo me ha nsem obisa da nyina last Monday me no ameka
kan nyina Tuesday
no
da bi ni ho
me ka say woni nipa na mo
ba ye hunu be bi e free mo
ana me ka say me ka say bia coach A ana coach B ana player by what I'm saying is that so no be o
ono nya wo be yew
me can ne say all the years I want to say a second coach stop if you assistant coaches wo da no a wo da no a coach da no bi ne ho no na sa coach atwe phone ofre chairman match boy coach wanya de o me se on fa bongo nka ho wan fa na nka ho won se lose match ade be twa be training no chairman ba parka on chow head coach a coach assistant then ko so
o you am Judas
masa enti me de ensem we no meka say obi na kokan yo so obi na nkan yo kwasi na nkasa no last me say friend say
David doctor David na make masem
sa ne din for no
okay
to be kan asem
dan kweku ye boa we dey e be da CP say UTV e to nsa from so buy ai but guys no
me see dem preachers e wo Dubai na e chichin de
o me cham no say
agini na
bongo Shabiro
asem ho
ye
be kwa samba afa na da na ba ebuboba
okay
Ghana be shake
okay you fly a copy sef
yes unu sa
you go to asopi
ne e days was be ko
I was for United Television kasebo agudie brand the bro no Dan Kweku Yeboah I kasama for the man normalization committee no otin kana coach J Sapon experienced coach ono so otin kamedi the David Ofori Safo Bongo Different then somehow don't know bro that's the way chocolate drink do here ayo so share a special drink numbi is say we special kwabana ntwi boss ya kon okwabana ne